Hi guys, good morning. Assalamualaikum. On this video, I want to show you how to do a linear forecast using this table. This one is the purpose is to predict or to forecast the next data that we have that could be happen. It can't be accurate because maybe your data is dynamic or anything. Now I just want to show you the simple one, the linear one. Okay, let's get it on. Over here I already have a table with three columns. Let's say the A column is number, okay, 1 until 10, and the simple data, and then the complex, little complex data. Okay, there is three methods to use this to do the linear forecast. Okay, the first one is the conventional one, and the second one using slope and intercept, and the third one is using forecast forecast linear. Okay, now I will do the first one, the conventional one, using the simple data. Okay, first, if you want to do the linear forecast with conventional method, you block this cell and then you insert the chart. Could be anything. I choose the scatter table, a scatter chart, and then or we already have all the data on this chart, and we add trend line and display the equation on chart. Okay, now we have the equation of this chart, which means y equal to 2x plus 6. If you want to forecast the next data, which means 11 numbers, so we just do equal 2 times x and plus 6. It's okay, it's same with this equation. Just click the enter. This one very easy, right? And now we do the second method. We're using slope and intercepts. What is slope? Slope is to find the slope of your trend line. For this case, the slope function is to find this number, the 2. Okay, usually we can call it as a gradient. And then the intercept is this number. Usually it's constanta, or in algebra we call it C variable. Okay, now we put first the number 11, and we do slope. We type slope function and noun wise. Okay, where is your y's? This one, your y. Okay, please exclude the 11 number, and then the noun x is here, and hit the enter. It returns 2, same, and then we times by x over here and plus intercept. This one will return the 6 value, and the noun y, of course this one, the B column, and the noun x is on A column, and close the bracket and hit the enter. The result is same. Okay, I will insert another row over here. Okay, the next method is we using the forecast linear function. This one very easy. Forecast linear, and we put the x, which means the next number, or the reference number for your forecast data is this one also, of course, the 11. And noun y, you input this B column, B2 till B11, and noun x is here, and close the bracket hit enter. All the result is same. Okay, now if we want to do on the complex data, we change this chart to the complex. Okay, and then we set forward one period. Okay, then if we do the forecast, the result should be between to 500 and 3000. It's around 270, 2750, I think. I don't know. We do the same like we did before. Equal to 213 times this x plus 412. Okay, we got the result. And then for the slope, we can just absolute force the BB column, and then we can drag to the right. Sorry, we can absolute the AA, not the BB. The A, all the contain A column. This one, oh, why is so difficult? Okay, absolute, and we can drag to the right. The result also same. This one also we can absolute force and then drag to the right. So gotcha. Now we got now I already explained to you how to use intercept, slope, forecast, linear, and do the conventional method. We have three methods here. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please put your thumb to like this video. If you have any question, please put in the comment. Later I will answer or make another video to answer you. Or if you want to support me to make me more encourage me to do more some content, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you guys.